CBSE Mathematics Class 12, Exercise 13.1, Question number 9. Mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. The event E, son on one end, father, F event, that is father in middle. So there are two situations. In the first situation, son is on one end, or either he will be in the beginning or at the end. So here you see the event. The mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. E, the son on one end. F event, that is father in middle. So the sample space will be like this. Mother, father, son, mother, son, father, son, mother, father, son, father, mother, father, son, mother, father, mother, son. These are the maximum possible outcome of arrangement of mother, father and son. So event E states that the son on one end. So in that case, the elements will be son, father, mother, son, mother, father, father, mother, son, mother, father, son. These are the four elements. In this case, the sample space has got 6 elements. Now, the F events, father in the middle. In that case, S means son, S, F, M, M, F, S. That is the two elements are here. So, the intersection of event E and F means intersection of E and F will be equal to S, F, M and M, F, S. These are the two elements which will be common in E and F. Now the probability of E intersection F will be equal to 2 by 6. Because 6 is the number of the elements in the sample space and 2 is the number of elements in E intersection F. So it will be equal to 1 by 3. Now the probability of F, there are two members again here, 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So probability of E upon F will be equal to probability of E intersection F upon probability of F, that will be 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3 and it will be equal to 1. And this will be the required answer of question number 9. Now come to the question number 10. A black and red dice are rolled. A part, find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that the black die resulted in a 5. And B part of it, find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8 given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4. अब यहाँ पर देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में, लेट द फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन बी फ्रॉम द ब्लैक डाई को हम पहले रीड करते हैं एंड द सेकेंड फ्रॉम द रेड डाई. व्हेन टू डाइस, वन ब्लैक एंड अनदर इज रेड, आर रोल्ड, द सैंपल स्पेस हैज 6 into 6, that is 36 numbers of elements are there. Let A stand for A such that the obtaining a sum greater than 9. So what will be the situation of getting greater than 9? That is 4 plus 6, that is 10. So 4, 6, 5 plus 5, again 10. 6 plus 4, again 10. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 and 6, 11. 6 and 6, 12. So all these elements will consist of A set. Now B set, the black die result in 5. Means the black die is being observed first इसको हम पहले देखते हैं. So I have written here 5. You see in the beginning I have written 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 in all pairs. So 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Because it is already mentioned that the black die is resulted in a 5. Now the intersection of A intersection B will be equal to 5, 5 and 5, 6. These will be the common point, common element. Therefore, the intersection of A intersection B will be equal to 5, 5 and 5, 6. The conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. Given that the black die resulted in a 5 is given by probability, now probability A by B. Then therefore the probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B, and it will be equal to 2 by 36, and this will be the 6 by 36. 36 and 36 will be cancelled, so we will get 2 by 6, and it will be further simplified. It will be equal to 1 by 3, and this will be the required answer of A part. Now the B part, that is event E, sum of the observation is 8. Means observation is 8, means let us see, 2, 6, means just add it, you will get 8. 3, 5, again you will get 8. 4, 4, again you will get 8. 5, 3, again you will get 8. 6, 2. So these are the ordered pair whose sum is equal to 8. Now the F event, that is the red die, resulted in a number less than 4. अब रेड डाई से सेकेंड नंबर पर है. फर्स्ट हम किसको ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? ब्लैक को. रेड डाई को सेकेंड नंबर पर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तो सेकेंड नंबर जो होगा वो हमेशा दैट विल बी द लेस देन 4. सो लेट अस सी 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. देखिए अब सेकेंड नंबर पर 1, 2, 3 है, फिर यहाँ पर आ जाए 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3. In all cases, you will find that the second number is less than 4, because the red die resulted in the number less than 4. So red die is being observed second time. Firstly, we are going to observe the first one, the black die. Black die को हम पहले देखते हैं, रेड डाई को बाद में देखते हैं, इसलिए बाद वाला नंबर देखेंगे आप हर एक जगह पर 4 से नीचे है. Therefore, E intersection F will be equal to 5, 3 and 6, 2. देखिए E इवेंट ये है और F इवेंट ये लिखा हूँ मैं. इसमें देखो जो इंटरसेक्शन होगा दैट विल बी द 5, 3 and 6, 2. Now the probability of F is equal to 18 by 36, that will be equal to 1 by 2. अब इसको काउंट कर लीजिए. ये 3, 6, 6, 6, 3 जा 18, 18 by 36, टोटल सैंपल जो होगा 36 है. So 18 by 36 it will be equal to 1 by 2. And probability of E intersection F will be equal to 2 by 36. देखिए 2 एलिमेंट है इंटरसेक्शन में, so 2 by 36 it will be equal to 1 by 18. The conditional probability of obtaining the sum equal to 8, given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4, given by the probability of E by F. देखिए कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी हमेशा दैट इंडिकेट दैट द एफ इवेंट हैज अकर्ड फर्स्ट, लेटर ऑन द इवेंट ई हैज अकर्ड. So probability of E by F will be equal to the probability of intersection of E intersection F whole divided by probability of f. It will be equal to 2 by 36 whole divided by 18 by 36. Simplify it, 36 and 36 will be cancelled. We will get 2 by 18 and further simplify it. It will be equal to 1 by 9. So this will be the required answer of question number 10B part. Come to the question number 11. A fair die is rolled. Consider the events E 1, 3, 5 and event F 2, 3 and event G, capital G, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Find probability of E by F and probability of F by E. Second, that is probability of E by G and probability of G by E. Third है probability of E intersection F whole upon probability of G and probability of E intersection F upon G. So let us proceed. अब देखिए फेयर डाई हैज बीन रोल्ड. फेयर डाई इज रोल्ड. कंसिडर द इवेंट E that is 1, 3, 5 and F that is 2, 3. G that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the probability that is E by F and probability of F by E. Second is probability of E by G and probability of G by E. Third, probability of E union F upon G and probability of E intersection F upon G. The sample space S, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the sample space. The elements are only 6 here. The element of event E is 1, 3, 5 and elements of event F is 2, 3 and elements of event G is 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability of E event will be equal to 3 by 6, it will be equal to 1 by 2. Probability of F, there are 2 elements here, now the 2 by 6, it will be further simplified and it will be equal to 1 by 3. Probability of G event, that will be equal to 4 by 6. देखिए यहाँ पर 4 elements हैं, so 4 by 6, that will be equal to 2 by 3. The probability of E intersection F. First of all, we will find out the E union F. E union F, that will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 will be the union of E and F. And the probability of E union F will be equal to 4 by 6, that will be equal to 2 by 3. Probability of E intersection F, that will be equal to 3. This implies that the probability of E intersection F, that will be equal to 1 by 6. First part, that is probability of E upon F will be equal to probability of E intersection F upon probability of F probability of E upon F will be equal to probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. It will be equal to 1 by 6 upon 1 by 3. That will be equal to 3 by 6. And further simplified, you will get 1 by 2. Now the probability of F by E will be equal to the probability of E intersection F upon probability of G. So it will be equal to 1 by 6 upon 1 by 2. That will be equal to 2 by 6. And it will be equal to 1 by 3. Now the second part of it, that is E intersection G. First of all, you find out E intersection G, that will be equal to 3 and 5. And probability of E intersection G will be equal to 2 by 6, that will be equal to 1 by 3. So therefore the probability of E by G is equal to the probability of E intersection G upon probability of G. That will be equal to 2 by 6 upon 4 by 6. Further you shall solve it, you will get 2 by 4, and now simplified it, it will be equal to 1 by 2. So probability of G by E, that is probability of E intersection G upon probability of E. So probability of E is 3 by 6 and probability of E intersection G is 1 by 3. Further simplify it, you will get 2 by 3. And this will be the answer of the second part of the question number 11. Now the third part, that is E union F, and it will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Means there are 4 elements, and the probability of E union F will be equal to 4 by 6, that will be equal to 2 by 3. Now the probability, E union F intersection G, means ये सेट और G सेट में हमारे को इंटरसेक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, that will be equal to 2, 3, 5. G नीचे देखिए यहाँ पर है 1, 2, 3, 5 और G सेट में देखिए 2, 3, 4, 5, उसमें जो कॉमन है वो लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर, that is 2, 3, 5. Now the probability of E union F intersection G, that will be equal to 3 by 6. क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं इसमें, so 3 by 6, that will be equal to 1 by 2. Now the probability of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 6. E intersection F is equal to only 3 and G is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So the E intersection F intersection G, that will be equal to 3 only. So the probability of E intersection F intersection G is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, the probability of E union F upon G. So हम क्या करेंगे, इसका पहले दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन ले लेंगे. देखिए E probability of E union F intersection G whole divided by probability of G, that will be equal to 3 by 6 whole divided by 2 by 3. Further solve कीजिए, you will get 3 by 4. Now probability of E intersection F upon G will be equal to probability of E intersection F intersection G whole divided by probability of G. It will be equal to 1 by 6 whole divided by 2 by 3. Further solve it, you will get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. So in this way the question number 11 is over. Now come to the question number 12. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or girl. If a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that both are girl, given that the youngest is girl, second is at least one is girl. अब यहाँ पर 2 बच्चे हैं. Let B and G represent the boy and girl. B किसको, बॉय को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, G को गर्ल रिप्रेजेंट करता है. Child respectively. If a family has 2 children, The sample space will be like this. The S, that is sample space. That is boy, boy, BB, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 possible outcomes. So let A be the event that both children are girl. हमने A को मान लिया एक इवेंट A है जहां पर दोनों बच्चे जो हैं गर्ल है. Let B be the event that the youngest child is a girl. Means B एक सेट है जिसमें youngest child, पहला जो है बॉय है वहाँ पर गर्ल होगा, फिर दूसरे नंबर पर यहाँ पर हो सकता है दोनों गर्ल गर्ल हैं तो अभी भी सेकंड जगह पर सेकंड नंबर पर गर्ल है. दोनों केस में सेकंड नंबर पर क्या है, गर्ल है. देखिए यंगेस्ट चाइल्ड में सबसे छोटा जो बच्चा है वो गर्ल है, तो यहाँ पर भी छोटा है गर्ल, इधर भी गर्ल है. Now proceed further. देखिए A intersection B will be girl girl G G. This implies that the probability of B is equal to 2 by 4 and it will be equal to 1 by 2. And the probability of A intersection B will be equal to 1 by 4. Probability of A intersection B will be equal to 1 by 4. The conditional probability that both are girls, given that the youngest child is a girl, is given by the probability of A by B. That is, probability of A by B will be equal to the probability of A intersection B whole divided by probability of B. That is equal to 1 by 4 upon 1 by 2. Therefore, the required probability is equal to 1 by 2. Now, come to the second part. Let C be the event that at least one child is a girl. एक चाइल्ड, दोनों में से एक चाइल्ड जो है गर्ल है. एट लीस्ट कम से कम, हो सकता है दोनों के दोनों गर्ल हो, लेकिन एक चाइल्ड होना चाहिए गर्ल. मतलब उसके पॉसिबल आउटकम क्या होगा या एलिमेंट क्या होंगे, बॉय गर्ल, गर्ल बॉय, गर्ल गर्ल. यानी देखिए बॉय गर्ल है, एक लड़का एक लड़की होगी, इसमें गर्ल बॉय, यहाँ पर भी एक लड़की हो गई, गर्ल हो गई, और गर्ल गर्ल एक तो है ही यहाँ पर. नाउ ए, दैट इज गर्ल गर्ल. सो द ए इंटरसेक्शन सी विल बी इक्वल टू, इन दोनों में जी जी मीन्स गर्ल गर्ल, ये दोनों में कॉमन है. एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सी इज इक्वल टू, देखिए यहाँ पर एलिमेंट कितने हैं, 1 2 3, 3 by 4. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन सी विल बी इक्वल टू 1 by 4. देखिए इंटरसेक्शन में कितने एलिमेंट, 1 है, 1 by 4. द कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट बोथ आर गर्ल्स given that at least one child is a girl is given by the probability of A by C, and it will be equal to probability of A by C, that can be written probability of A intersection C whole divided by probability of C, and it will be equal to 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4, and it will be equal to 1 by 3. This will be the required answer of question number 12. That's all.